dividing the power with the same base. In this case, the powers are subtracted, and taking power of a power means power over the power once again. And in third case, the both powers get multiplied by each other. And in fourth case, multiply powers with the same exponent, dividing 50 powers with the same exponent. Their exponents are same and bases are different. And then we have to go through the miscellaneous example. First, law of exponent, multiplying powers with the same base. Here, two bases are same, 2 and 2. Powers are different, 3 and 3. They will get added, so we will have 2 raised to the power 3 plus 5, which is 8. And this is a complete explanation how we get 2 raised to the power 8. 3 factors here, 5 factors here, and in total we have the 8 factors, and it means it is 2 raised to the power 8. Multiplying the powers with the same base. This is the law. Earlier that was the example for this law. Ax multiplied by a raised to the power y is equal to a raised to the power x plus y. This law is applied only in case of same base, which is shown here in colored part. One more example. A is 5, x is 3, and y is 1. Now 6 raised to the power 3 and 6 raised to the power 4, both power will get added, and then we will have 6 raised to the power 3 plus 4 means 6 raised to the power 7. This is 6 raised to the power 7. Now minus 5 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 5 to the power, when there is no power, it means there is 1. So 2 and 1 will get added here. So minus 5 raised to the power 2 plus 1, which will be minus 5 raised to the power 3. Here a raised to the power 5 plus 3, 8. Let us see the example. And here the different power, here we have 3 bases, but still the law will be same, and all the powers will get added. 9 power first, then 8, and at last it is 1. 9 plus 8 plus 1, which is 18, m raised to the power 18. Let us see the answer. Now coming to next point. Now we are moving for division process. When we divide the exponential numbers, 2 raised to the power 8 divided by 2 raised to the power 3, their power gets subtracted. 2 raised to the power 8 minus 3, which will be 2 raised to the power 5. And this is a complete explanation how we get 2 raised to the power 5. These 2 are get cancelled, and this cancelled part are subtracted. 3 are cancelled means 3 is subtracted from 8, so we get 5. Dividing the powers with the same base for any non-zero integer a and whole number x and y, then we have this law: a raised to the power x divided by a raised to the power y is equals to a raised to the power x minus y. Now one more example. A is 5, x is 3, and y is 1. 6 4 divided by 6 power 2, power gets subtracted. 6 raised to the power 4 minus 2 means 6 raised to the power 2. Minus 5 raised to the power 3 minus 2, minus 5 raised to the power 1. A5 divided by A2 means A raised to the power 3 minus 2 means A raised to the power 1. Then 20 raised to the power 10 divided by 20. 20 means 20 raised to the power 1. So we will have 20 raised to the power 10 minus 1, which will be 20 raised to the power 9. Now third is power over the power. Here power x is power over a, and then for whole expression in the bracket there is one more power y, and when we have two successive power in this manner, then both powers get multiplied. So we have a raised to the power x multiplied by y. Let us see the example for this law. A is 7x2 y is 4. 7 raised to the power 2 power 4. So both power get multiplied. We get 7 to the power 8, which is shown here in RHS part, and left hand side part is the explanation of the law. Now some questions for you. 9 raised to the power 4 again to the power 2. 9 raised to the power 8. 4 multiplied by 2. Here power will get multiplied again. 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to 3 minus 3 raised to the power 6. Here we have to note that base will remain same, only powers will get multiplied. So minus 3 raised to the power 6. B raised to the power p into q. 10 raised to the power 3 into 10 means 10 raised to the power 30. Now multiplying the powers with the same exponent. Here we have exponent same, but bases are different. So how we multiply them? 2 and 3 bases different, but powers are 3 and 3 same. So we multiply the bases directly and put the same power. No need to change the power. So bases are multiplied here, 2 into 3, and same power 3 is put over them, and then we have 6 power 3. Multiplying the powers to same exponent. The law is a raised to the power x into b raised to the power x. X powers are same. A into b raised to the power x. Bases are different and exponents are same. Powers and exponents both are same thing. One more example. A 13 b 7 x 2. Left hand side part, 13 raised to the power 2, 7 raised to the power 2. We have to multiply only 13 and 7, and power 2 will remain same here, and 13 into 7 is 91 and power 2 as it is. So that is shown here in RHS part, and left hand part is the explanation of this law. Some questions for you. 3 power 3, 5 power 3, we will have 3 into 5, 15 raised to the power 3. Multiply the base here. You have to multiply the base when the exponents are same. 9 into 7, 63 raised to the power 5. Let's see the answer. 63 raised to the power 5. M into n raised to the power b. Power remains same. Here power is r. So 9 into 8, 72, and power will remain same, which is r. So So we will have 72 raised to the power r. So these are the examples of that law, and that was for multiplication, and same thing is for dividing also. When we divide the two exponential numbers with same exponent, then we divide their bases simply and same exponent is put over them. Here a and b are any non-zero integers and x is a whole number. This law is only applied in case of same exponent, which is shown here in blue colored part. Let us see some examples. A raised to the power 14 divide b 7 and x 4. This is explanation. And 14 raised to the power 4, 7 divided by 7 raised to the power 4 on substituting their values. Then we have 14 raised to the power 4 upon 7 raised to the power 4. Then 14 upon 7 will remain same and power will also remain same, which is 2. But we can cancel 14 upon 7 to the 14. So we will have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 raised to the power 4. So 14 divided by 7 raised to the power 4 means 2 raised to the power 4, because within bracket the value of 14 divided by 7 is 2. Here again RHS part is the application of the law and left hand side part is the explanation of this law. Some more questions. Here 21 and 3 will be divided. We get 7 raised to the power 3. 7 raised to the power 3. Minus 63 divided by 9. 9 7 is 63. But in minus also, so we will have minus 7 raised to the power 4. Power will remain same. A divided by B raised to the power C. We can write it A upon B bracket and then put the power C. C here.